How to hide yourself from others in Snapchat quick contacts. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, log into your account, then click on your profile located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on settings located on top right corner of your screen. After that, you will simply find settings pop up. In your scroll all the way down till you find Quick Contact option. You'll find Quick Contact option in Privacy Control. Click on See Me in Quick Add. Make sure there is no tick mark in Show Me in Quick Add. After you untick it, you're good to go. This is how to hide yourself from others in Snapchat Quick Contacts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.